up, y'all? What's up? This Tina's back with another video. And I'm sorry I've been gone for a while, man. I've been sick, caught the COVID, been in the hospital and all kind of stuff, man. But we getting back to it. Right now I'm heading to Turbo Tony house. We're finna put a wrap on something on the Navi. So y'all stay tuned.
Want to take the seat out? How you take the seat out? Put it.
Yeah, take the seat out.
Yeah, we finna get to it.
Man, that one will come right on off.
For real.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna sit it over here.
Yeah. Boy, this looks like it's showroom, but brand new.
I told you.
Yeah, I mean, it is brand new, but like it ain't nothing happen.
Look, you can show them, you know what I'm saying, where she had an accident at. She laid it down right here.
But you gotta tell that though.
This little stuff right here. And actually, I can get this covered up if I want to, and I can replace this.
Is the wrap gonna cover this also?
It may.
It may be.
It may.
If we could just get like a little, y'all got like a little file or not a little sending paper? No, I want. Nah. Let's see if they got one for first. If they do, then we can kind of sand that down a little bit.
Yeah.
Just that little spot.
Mm-hmm. All right.
All right, we're gonna get set up, y'all.
We get the bottles of water. I ain't gonna worry about that.
Yeah. Y'all, this is what we're gonna do.
So today. check this out, guys. This is what the decal kit looks like when we took it out the little tube there.
That's gonna be real nice, boy.
This is actually the left side or whatever, and it's labeled pretty much where everything goes or whatever. Headlight.
And this is what the bike gonna look like.
Left side cover.
Around this side. Man, it's dope, bro. I like that.
Yeah, man. That's gonna be nice. That's gonna be nice.
And they're gonna stay in the garage?
From 77 decals. I think they just have, cause you got man in the box there, steady garage.
Oh, okay.
I think they just kind of.
Oh yeah, you got all kind of. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Well, I'm gonna steal some of them decals.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put some of them on my bike. But yeah, this thing look good though. So what it is, y'all, they got two sides. They got the left, well, obviously they got two sides. They got the left side and the right side, and it's pretty much already mapped out on how it's gonna go.
Right.
Pretty much. So yeah, I'll just stay tuned, man. I hope I line everything up right, man. I ain't trying to afford this. I don't know if I can. I'm just playing.
Nah.
But we gonna get it together though, man. We just gonna take our time with it, wipe everything down with some gasoline.
What's some gasoline? Ain't trying to blow out here.
I'm trying to tell you. But yeah, we're gonna get everything prepped and wipe down, and then we'll get to putting everything together, and we'll get back with y'all in a second.
All right, here we go.
All right, y'all, this is what we got so far. We just laid down two of them. I'm gonna save that big piece for last, man. Well, this is what we got so far. Now we're about to lay this right quick and get that together. Yes, sir. Hey, man, we look like we know what we're doing. It's gonna be all right, though. Yeah. Breathe now.
Look who done came out to the party.
Can't make sure they know what they doing.
Can't make sure we know what we doing, baby.
Yeah. They came get some fresh air.
Yeah, it's nice out here. They done warmed up since earlier this morning.
Whew.
How you doing, Tip?
Good, how you doing?
Oh man, nigga trying to put this together for you. He said, I want to put the wrap on there. I said, man, come over. They said, well, Tips, I'm on the way. I'm on the way.
I ain't coming over here.
Yeah.
That's all right. It look good.
That's what I told him. I like the way he picked. Because it was two different color ones. And T-Toy got another little style.
Let me come around here.
Yeah, I wanted to be like him.
Yeah. We getting y'all together.
Oh, yeah, look good.
Meaning I ain't want to copy him.
Yeah.
By us being so close
Together, yeah.
together.
By each other, yeah.
He
Alright, y'all, we done finally finished the bike up, man. Check this out. Turbo Tip gonna be riding in style, baby. Riding in style. Check this out.
Bam. Look at that right there. This is our first wrap. This first bike we done wrap, huh? We done wrap the Navi up. First wrap came out pretty good. Oh yeah, she gonna be rolling. Yep, that's how we looking, yeah. And like I showed you, he already put the stickers on the tires already. Yep. Turbo tone and turbo tips. Honda Navi. Grasshopper green. Yes, sir. But anyway, we're gonna end this video with just a little short video, just something real quick to put together her bike, get her bike ready for her. But yeah, y'all stay tuned for some more videos. Like I say, I know I've been gone for a while. Like I said, I've been sick, had COVID brought on pneumonia and all kind of other little stuff. So we'll be getting back with these videos here short of making more content soon. Y'all stay tuned. Tina's out.